Hello, violinists. Welcome to your virtual classroom. I'm so excited to be practicing with you in your home while I'm in mine. This video, I'm just going to go over how to tune your violin. It's very important that we all tune our violins before we start practicing, so we make sure that we're all playing the same notes. We're also training our ears at this time to be recognizing what these notes sound like, the names of these notes. And it's also very discouraging to try to practice playing out of tune. So to tune my violin, I personally use an app. This one is Sound Corset. It has a tuner and a metronome function, so it's pretty useful to have. So most of them will work the same. You will play the note, the string, and you want to make sure that you're in that green sweet spot in the middle. It will tell you if you're going too flat or too high. So let's see if I can play A. Pull this up for you. All right, so saying that we're too sharp, so I can use these fine tuning pegs up here, make small adjustments. And it has landed in that green sweet spot now. All right, we want to do that with all of our strings. All right, if you need to make bigger adjustments, some of the smaller violins will go very out of tune very frequently, so you can use these tuning pegs up here. And yeah, if you have any questions, please post on Homeroom. If you have no access to an app, a tuning app, I'm going to play each of these strings for 15 seconds so you can match your pitch at home. D, G, and E. All right, happy practicing now that we're all tuned up.